Organizing your PDFs effectively is essential for productivity, whether you're a student, freelancer, remote worker, or business professional. In 2025, managing digital documents efficiently can save you time, reduce stress, and make collaboration much easier. In this video, we'll share practical PDF organization tips to help you keep your files structured, accessible, and easy to navigate. The first tip is to create a consistent folder structure. Think of your digital storage like a physical filing cabinet. Use main folders for broad categories, such as projects, clients, or personal, and then create subfolders for specific topics, dates, or tasks. This hierarchy helps you locate documents quickly and keeps your files logically grouped, reducing the chances of losing important PDFs. Next, focus on naming your files clearly and consistently. Use descriptive names that indicate the content, date, or version, like marketing_report, _2025, _Q1, or client contract _January 2025. Avoid generic names like document 1 or scan, which make it difficult to find files later. Consistent file naming is especially helpful when you're searching or sorting large collections of PDFs. Another key tip is to use tags and metadata when possible. Many PDF tools allow you to add keywords, author information, or categories. These metadata fields make searching for specific documents faster and more accurate. For example, you can tag files by project, client, or type of document, and then filter or search by these tags whenever you need them. Merge related PDFs to reduce clutter and improve efficiency. If you have multiple files for the same project, such as reports, invoices, or supporting documents, consider combining them into a single PDF. This minimizes the number of files you have to manage and ensures that everything related to a project is in one place. Regularly archive outdated or completed documents. Keep your active working files in one folder and move older PDFs to an archive folder. This keeps your main folders clean and focused on current work, while still allowing you to retrieve older files when needed. Cloud storage platforms often make it easy to archive and access these files from anywhere. Another tip is to use bookmarks and a table of contents for long PDFs. If a document has multiple sections or pages, bookmarks make navigation much easier, and a table of contents helps readers find specific information quickly. This is especially useful for reports, manuals, or ebooks. Finally, make use of cloud storage and syncing to keep your PDFs organized across devices. Platforms like Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox allow you to access your files from anywhere, collaborate with others, and maintain version control. Combine this with a well-structured folder system and consistent file naming to maximize efficiency. By following these tips, creating a clear folder structure, naming files consistently, using metadata, merging related PDFs, archiving old files, adding bookmarks, and leveraging cloud storage, you can keep your PDF library organized, accessible, and professional. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to our channel for more productivity tips and tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates. Start organizing your PDFs today and make managing digital documents simple and stress-free.